guys, welcome back to my channel once again. This is Adhay. Today I am showing you guys, showcasing, reviewing, whatever you want to call this video, the new nude palette from Huda Beauty. I had to get it, and thankfully I didn't have to wait too long on the mail because I got PR. Just kidding, I didn't get PR. I wish. But it did come out in Sephora right away. Shortly after it released online, it came out at Sephora. So I got my butt to Sephora and grabbed me one. When I see this, honestly, I don't think nude. I just think a beautiful light pink. They have different type of pigments included. It does come with a cream included, which is called conceal. That is, if anything, the first time I ever see that in a palette, in an eyeshadow palette. Is usually, you know, when it comes with contour kits. I have the first palette she ever came out with. Excuse my cats, they are eating, so if you hear any noise, those are my cats. I got the first one, you know, with the clear. It didn't even have a mirror. It was, I think, the first palette she ever came out with, and I'm in love with that palette. The second one, which I think they remade or something like that, the first one, they remade the first one. I didn't want that one, obviously. Then the third one with all these purples, I didn't want either. Like, not my type, not my thing. But with this one, oh my gosh, I had to have it. If you want to see what look I create with this palette, or if you want to see a review about this palette, first impressions, whatever it may be, keep on watching. Let's get started. I already have everything on my face. I have everything face related. I will go ahead and apply a safe layer of translucent powder underneath my eye, just in case we have any fallout. There we go. So I'm going to start off with Teddy. Let's see how that looks. Whoa. It seems like it will be one of those palettes that will give me a hard time with fallout. I want to go with a halo eye, a cut crease halo. Yeah, close and personal, so I hope you don't judge my skin. Now I'm going with a smaller blending brush for the second color. In with a crease brush, I'm sorry, and this one's M433 Spanked. Okay, so I'm gonna go right in the crease and vamp. Wow, this color is so beautiful. It is really pretty, and it's very pigmented. I mean, it better be pigmented because this palette runs for $65, and plus tax and all of that good stuff, it comes to a pretty penny. I'm not really going hard on the pans. I'm just picking up product little by little as I go, and so far it's paying off. Now we're going with our third color. I want to use all of these colors, but then I feel we're just gonna lose track of how beautiful each color is, so I'm just sticking with 3 for now. Love Bite, purpley. Going with this little detailed brush, R41. So I'm first pressing the pigment in, then I'll blend it. Now comes the fun part. I will use the concealer that comes in the palette to semi-cut the center of my eye, a middle cut crease, halo cut crease, whatever it is, whatever name you guys may call. Look at that, that looks amazing. It's called Conceal. Let's see how it works. It's a very thick consistency. Using Bare from the palette, I am going to set it before I apply my pigments. The concealer, the little concealer that they have in the palette is very tacky. I think that it could be workable, like if you want to randomly prime the lid for some shadow, but not necessarily, for example, for a cut. It is very, very tacky. It's gonna go with the Fantasy, and I'm ooh, wow. Place it on the outer parts. I'm pretty sure that with the finger it applies even better. Let's try it. Now for the center, I'm going with, let's go with Crave. It is so pretty. I'm gonna apply it with my pinky and mesh them together. It feels like butter. I'm gonna go back with the smaller blending brush. I wanted to do a wing liner, but I think it's gonna be a little extra, so I'm going to do a small one just for the lash line using my Kat Von D. I bought this I don't know how long ago, and I'm barely starting to use it. This palette definitely has softer shadows. I just got dragged by these beautiful darker shades, and I'm gonna use Lana number 10. Meanwhile my lashes get tacky, I will apply my lipstick. Trying to finish the entire look, not part of the PR group. Well, make your own. Ooh. This is the end result. I hope you guys like the look that I created. I was very excited because the palette looks super cute from the get-go. The whole packaging, the colors, the shimmers, everything looks very cute on this palette. So I definitely just wanted to go all out, wanted to use all the colors, but because I didn't want to ruin the colors or the colors wouldn't show at the end after mixing so many colors, I just sticked with 3 colors, 3, 4-ish. There were a couple things that I didn't like from the palette, but definitely the pros outnumbered the cons for sure. I'm glad. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.